Hi friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a cat sitting on a rug. So let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is make his face. So that is the letter U that's a little bit squared off at the bottom. So there are two kind of slight angles right here. Now we're going to come out and down from each side to make his ears. So we'll be making straight diagonal lines coming down, and then we'll close those up with a straight line. The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to put some small triangles inside of each ear. The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to create our cat's eyes. Now cats don't have super round eyes like this. Theirs are more almond shaped. So the way that I make those is like this. I make a curved line, and then I close those curved lines up with more curved lines. Inside for the iris of the cat, I make two more curved lines, and then I make a straight line for his pupil. So curved line, and straight line for his pupil. Sometimes I even like to double up that line so it's a little bit thicker. The next thing I'm going to put are a few dots at the top because cats have little hairs coming out above their eyes. I'm going to make our cat a nose, and that's just a triangle. If you'd like to fill it in with color, with black color with your marker, you can go ahead and do that, or you can use maybe like a pink color or a black with a crayon or a colored pencil. Let's make a mouth. They're just a couple of J's, one backwards J and one forwards J. And let's make some whiskers. When I make whiskers, I like to just make straight lines, and I only usually make 2 or 3, but you can make as many whiskers as you'd like. The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to make our cat's body. So we're just going to have a slightly slanted line coming straight down and another line coming down. Remember, this is a cat that's a cartoon. It's not super realistic, so you can make his body any size or any shape that you like. We come down with 2 more lines and put some toes at the bottom. And then we repeat. Now we're going to close up the bottom part of his body, just like that. For his back legs, they're just going to be some shapes that look like this, coming out from these 2 straight lines that you created earlier. And then for his tail, you can either come out from the left side or the right side. And that's just a series of lines as well. Now it's really important if you do have a cat and it's an outside cat that you make sure that they wear a collar. The reason why is because we want to make sure our cat stays safe. So a collar is just made with a line that follows along the chin line, and then we put a little curved line, and then at the bottom of that you can put a shape for his tag. I like to use hearts. Alrighty, so there's our cat. The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to create a rug for our cat to sit on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a very large letter C that's on its side. So notice where I started. I started right at his back leg. I came around with my curved line that looks like an upside down C, and I stopped at roughly the same point on the other leg. Now I'm going to make another line that follows along the first line. And then I'm going to make one more line that follows along with those 2 other lines. Now, if you'd like to add some sort of detail or decoration to your rug, you can go ahead and do that now. I like to add dots or sometimes swirls, sometimes lines. It's up to you. This is where you can get creative. Now let's create a floor for our cat in his rug. So basically that's just a straight line going behind the cat. And remember, we don't go through the cat. You need to pick up your marker or your pencil so you don't go right through the cat, because then there will be a line through his body. It's important that you remember to pick up whatever you're using to draw with and move it over and then continue your line on the other side. Now let's make a baseboard for the wall. And then you know what you can do if you like? You can decorate the floor. You might want to make some lines for a wood flooring. This is always a cute thing to do. So I like to make diagonal lines coming down. So I come down this way. Oh, jump over the carpet. Just like that. And then if you'd like to decorate the background of your cat's house, then you can do that as well. You can put some dots around. Maybe I'll do that. I like to use dots a lot because they can fill up a lot of space in a very short period of time, and they look super cute. So this is a fun and easy way to create a little bit of detail in the background. There we go. How did you like that? I hope you liked it a lot. I'll see you next time. Bye.